may go on the other hand, Lucas. There we go. That one goes on that hand, yep. There you go.
Those work gloves are so big.
Awesome. You got some big gloves.
Yeah, the ones that we have at home are a little bit smaller.
Now let's get that right in there. Fantastic. Okay. You're gonna be
Swimming.
swimming. Okay. Put these big goggles on here. Let's get them over your eyes, Lucas. Whoa, can you see?
How's that?
Meet all OSHA requirements.
Uh-huh. PPE.
Go, buddy. Okay, hang on. One last thing.
Now you got your leather vest.
Yes. You look like a mad scientist, buddy.
One thing I can tell you about blacksmith shops, everything in here can burn you, pinch you, or cut you.
Let's see if we can move
Mhm.
this part
So
over.
they're not safe places.
1 second, Lucas.
It's right by his feet. I think he's standing on one of the
Is he standing on one?
Yes, I do believe so.
Oh, yep.
You might be able to wrap that around tight
Yeah,
in
that's
front.
what I'm thinking. I'm thinking of something like that.
Good job, bud.
Good job, dude.
Thank you, Lucas. Doing an excellent job.
It's very helpful.
Very, very helpful. Hang on,
It's all right,
Lucas.
he's-
Doing so good. You're doing so good. Ranger Amber's not doing so good. This is adorable. Alright.
You look so cute.
Now, Lucas, you are going to be the littlest blacksmith that ever was.
Mm-hmm.
He does look like a mad scientist.
Definitely look like a mad scientist.
You'll never get him out of it.
I know. And I needed to stay on him.
You have to go home with the,
He's gonna-
With the-
leather apron.
Yep.
Oh. I don't want
What's your
that.
brother doing?
And I can land on my hands.
There we go. Okay. buddy.
Okay.
You look pretty good now, bud.
All right.
Come on over here with Ranger Lily.
You're going to grab on this, you're going to turn it clockwise.
Well,
Just about
one side
that
of the back is
speed.
going to be really
That's
protected.
Just keep turning it for me. Excellent.
Nice and
Doing
strong.
very well. All right, I want you to stop and just stand still for a moment. Just stop and wait. Do the other side, straighten it out, and then we'll bend it.
Okay.
No, I gotta heat it up.
Yeah. Can't do anything with my
Okay,
hand.
start turning.
Spin it, bud.
Keep going, buddy.
There we go.
Good job,
That's
Lucas.
good. You're doing good.
Look at that youngin', he's getting it.
You're making it really hot.
It's probably 2,000 degrees.
Roughly, yeah. A little bit more.
2,100 degrees.
Okay, you can stop.
Good job, Lucas.
I'd say that's pretty close.
Okay, spin her around.
Put him to work.
Mm-hmm.
He's loving it.
A little bit slower. That's it.
Excellent.
Okay, buddy.
Excellent.
Stay right there, buddy. Don't move. Watch.
Watch
This
him, bud.
Lucas. Watch how he turns it. He just bends that metal around. That's amazing, huh? And it's about right.
That's close. He uses that as a guide.
Very cool.
All right, bring them over on your side.
Come on
I'll
over
try and do
here.
the second bend.
Oh, turn the second bend. All right.
Okay.
You know, we're using your child to experiment.
That's perfectly fine.
Okay, buddy. This is a big one. Are you ready? Okay. So he's gonna put that same rod that's now bent back inside. And what we want to do is he'll bring it back out, and you're gonna come over here with me. Come on over here, Lucas. And you're gonna stand right in front of this bucket. Okay? And we're gonna take this tool and we're gonna open it all the way up and grab it so that it goes. Hang on one second. Open it back up again. Okay. We're gonna move over a little bit more.
Make sure your fingers aren't on the inside of the rod,
Yep.
of the
It
tongs.
has to be on the outside.
Yep.
We're grabbing with that, but once it closes around, let go a little bit. We want to make sure this groove is good. Okay, let go and grab it just like I have. You see this with my hand?
Grab it with an open hand. There you go.
And then we're going to pull with both hands. Put both hands on there. Good job. And we're going to pull this, but it's not bendable right now.
Yep, we're not gonna pull
We're not
it
going to
out.
pull right yet. You see how it's still black? It's not
Okay,
nice and
release.
red. Very good. Does that
Good
sound
job.
fun? All right, buddy. Okay, I'm going to help you out with this one, okay? How old are you, Lucas? 4 years old. Very good. Now this is going to make a dinner bell. We're going to make a big. Alright, let's see how this looks. Oh, it's nice and hot. So we've got to get ready. We're going to wait till he brings that over to us. We're going to put that right on there. We're going to open up, grab these right here, buddy.
Daddy.
Grab this piece of metal just like that.
Remember hands.
Remember hands, watch out for the fingers. Grab it just like this.
Yep.
Grab what's gonna get you. And now walk backwards with me, okay? We're gonna pull. Good job, buddy. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Let's keep going. Nice.
Okay, hold on.
Yep.
Keep control of
Keep
it.
holding it. Keep
Hold
holding
Keep holding
Nice
it.
and tight. I'm gonna let go. I'm gonna let go and you've got it.
it. We're gonna put that right in the bucket and you're gonna swirl it around for me, okay? Hold on to it and swirl it around.
Cool.
All right. Good job.
We have that.
Very good.
Good job, buddy.
That is
Awesome,
fantastic.
buddy.
See another one?
No, we're gonna make the ringy dingy
Okay.
thingy.
The ringy dingy thing.
We're gonna make one of these.
Okay. So how this works, buddy?
He'll be good at this.
That metal right inside that fire. But when it comes back out, it's going to be nice and hot right there, okay? And we're going to grab this hammer and we're going to hit the top of it. Yep. Hammer it down nice and flat. And he's going to put it right back in. And when he brings it out, it'll look nice and flat and he'll bend it. And then you see this tip right here? We'll have to hammer it down even more. This is my favorite tool in the blacksmith shop, okay? This is gonna be fun.
Was that hammer heavy?
And you may want to assist with one hand on the hammer.
Will do. So, have you ever been in a blacksmith shop before, buddy? You look like you have, Lucas. You look like a natural blacksmith.
Do you help your dad build things though?
Very cool.
You're used to a 4.5 pound hammer.
Ah! That's cool. All right, Lucas. Stand right over here with me, buddy. We're moving a little bit. Now I'm going to help you out, okay? One. Oh, we're not ready. We're too prepared, aren't we? Move your hands down just a little. Yes, here we go. Nice. Okay. Count it up, and then harder. There we go. We're getting there. We're getting there. Oh, there we go. We're doing pretty good. One more. You want to try again? Let's do one more big whoop. There we go.
Awesome.
Excellent job. Been so easy. Okay, Lucas, you ready? Down, 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 down.
Excellent.
Oh,
Dude.
very cool, Lucas. All right.
That
Look
is
what
so
you made
cool.
right there, buddy.
Close enough.
You made that, buddy.
So
That's awesome.
come on over here with me real quick. I'm gonna take your hammer real quick, okay? Put that down. And you know what? We are finished. Come on over. Take our stuff.
Good job.
We are done in the blacksmith shop today. And we're going to take those goggles off. And I'm going to help you get out of this.
Yeah, let her help you with that one.
Untie it all, Billy.
Because you were the smallest blacksmith of all. But you had the mightiest muscles. Hang on 1 second, bud.
Wait.
Hang on 1 second. Let's just do that. That works. There we go.
Good job, dude.
Oh, and here's your bell.
Oh, that's so nice. What
There
do you
you go.
say?
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh,
Good job, buddy.
oh. Okay. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.